So this is question 1, and the directions say to find the domain and then the equations of the vertical and horizontal asymptotes, if there are any. So I'm going to start with the last piece, the horizontal asymptotes. So I noticed the degree of the numerator is the same as the degree of the denominator. So what we learned in class today is that the horizontal asymptote would be y equals a over b. And if you recall, a is the leading coefficient of the numerator and b is the leading coefficient of the denominator. So you can see here, leading coefficient of numerator is 1, denominator is 1. So y equals 1 over 1, or more simply, y equals 1, is your horizontal asymptote. Your vertical asymptote is really about what are the zeros of the denominator, because if you remember, we should never divide by 0. You'll notice here that I factored the denominator more fully by writing it as x plus 2, x minus 2. And so if you just think about what value of x would make each of those factors equal to 0, you would notice that a negative 2 would be the 0 of the first factor, and then a positive 2 would be the 0 of the second factor. So those are our vertical asymptotes. And so I'm going to leave you with the domain, which is what I'm asking for in this question. So you have to remember, what is the connection between vertical asymptotes and domain that we made in class today?